In case I haven't mentioned this already, I'm a lazy guy. If there's a way to make the work get done faster, well, I'm all for it. And getting good at using cut, copy, and paste can save a person tons of work and time. Let me show you what I mean. First thing you need to do is make sure you've got no other documents open, so close any documents until you get this screen that you see here on mine. Next, we're going to open up a document. We'll go to the Office button, click it, click Open, and we're going to open up this one here, Job Posting 3, located in the Lesson 4 folder of your exercise files. So with that selected, we'll click the Open button. Okay, so this is the document that we're going to borrow text from. Now we got to create the document where it's going to go to. And we're going to do that by going up to the Office button and clicking New. This is going to be a new blank document, so we'll click Create. And there's the beginnings of our new job posting. But this one's not going to be for a training consultant like the other one. It's going to be for a pastry chef. So let's just type that in. So we type in pastry chef, hit your enter key to drop down a couple of lines. Because it's the end of a paragraph, Word automatically by default moves us down a couple of lines. This is where we're going to start pasting some of the text from our other document. So we need to switch to that other document. And the way we can do that, well, one way anyway, is to go to the View tab up here on the ribbon. And then go over here in the Window group and click Switch Windows. There's our other document, Job Posting 3. So when we click on it, we switch over to that one. So we're just going to select all of this stuff right here, starting from Eat Cake all the way down to Candidates Must Possess the Following. I'm just clicking and dragging down my left-hand margin to select all of that text. That's what I want to copy. So I go up to my clipboard group here, and you can see I've got a paste button. I've got scissors for cutting. I don't want to remove this text from this document. I want to leave it where it is and just steal a copy. So this button down below is the copy icon, and you can see the keyboard shortcut is Control-C as in copy. So when we click this, a copy of this text goes into the clipboard, a storage area, waiting for us to paste it somewhere else. Now, a keyboard shortcut for switching documents, so we don't have to go up to the View tab each time, is to hold down your Alt key and tap the Tab key to switch documents. And when you release, look at that, there we are in our second document. So here's where we want to paste that text that we copied. So let's go up to our Home tab. And if we wanted to, we could click Paste here, or on the keyboard, hold down Control and press the letter V simultaneously. I'm going to click Paste. There we go. So we've got a bunch of text in here. It's not perfect yet, but it's going to save us a lot of typing. We can make a few changes to this now if we wanted to. For example, here in our first paragraph, immediate requirement for we'll highlight training consultant and type in pastry chef. So we type right over the selected text. And it's not to join our training services team, but just our team. So let's highlight training services and hit delete on the keyboard. Perfect. You've got the idea. We do a little bit of editing to save us a lot of time. All right, let's switch to the other document again. So I'm going to hold down Alt and press Tab. Down below here where it says qualified candidates are invited to forward their resumes, I'm going to click over here on the left-hand margin to select it. Hold down Control and tap the letter C on my keyboard to copy it, and now Alt Tab to switch over. And I'm going to click right in here and hold down Control and press V as in Victor, and that's the keyboard shortcut for pasting. Alright, that makes totally no sense where I've put that. And here's a good candidate for using cut instead of copy. We want to highlight this, remove it, in other words cut it, so we can paste it somewhere else in the document. I'm going to go up to the scissors. Again, Control X is the keyboard shortcut. There it is, it's removed. I'm going to scroll down, and down below here where I'm going to be typing in some of the qualifications, I'm just going to hit enter a couple of times, and that's where I want to paste it. So I'll click my paste button. There we go. So I've still got some room here to type in my qualifications. Alright, so there's a good chunk of our new document already created, and we barely typed a word. We just need to fill in the rest thanks to copy, cut, and paste.